Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save a route on Google Maps. This is incredibly useful when you're planning a trip, organizing multiple stops, or simply want to keep a specific route handy for future reference. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will bring you to the main Google Maps interface where we'll begin setting up your custom route. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the menu icon, typically represented by three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that menu icon to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click on Saved. This section is where Google Maps stores all your favorite places, lists, and custom maps, making it easy to access everything you've organized in one convenient location. Within the Saved section, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Maps to view your custom map creations. Now at the bottom of this screen, you'll see an option that says Create Map. Click on this button to start building your personalized route. This action will open Google My Maps in a new tab, which is a powerful tool specifically designed for creating and customizing detailed maps with multiple layers and routes. Once Google My Maps loads, you'll be greeted with a fresh blank canvas. Look for the Create button and click it to begin adding your route details. Now it's time to search for your starting point or destination. Type your desired location into the search bar, and when it appears in the results, click Add to Map. This pins that location to your custom map. Next, click on the icon that says Directions to Here. This feature allows you to create an actual route between two or more points rather than just marking individual spots. A new input field will appear where you can type in another location, your destination, or the next stop on your journey. Go ahead and input that new location. Once you've entered both locations, you'll immediately see a route appear on your map, showing the path between the 2 points. Google Maps will automatically calculate the best route for you, complete with estimated travel time and distance. Now that your route is displayed, it's important to give your map a name so you can easily find it later. At the top of the screen, you'll see the default text that says Untitled Map. Click on it and a text box will appear, allowing you to input a custom name for your route. Type in whatever name makes sense for your trip or purpose, then click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created and saved a custom route on Google Maps. You can now access this route anytime from your Saved Maps section, making trip planning much more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.